Alright guys, this is just a quick breakdown of the day trades we'll be looking to take during the week. Yeah, so I have already marked up some trade already. I already done the analysis. It's just about three pairs. So we'll be doing the analysis together and why I'll be looking to take trades at this level. Alright, we are going to start with gold. Yes. So this is why we're going to take trades on gold. On the weekly time frame, we notice that this blue line we are going to be rejecting whenever we come to this blue line, and this will be our support zone, right? So what we're actually looking for here again is that we saw that we've rejected it over here, we came back down. Now we are rejecting this daily zone over here. Let me just show it to you immediately. So remember that this blue line is our weekly zone. This blue line is our weekly zone, then the white line is the daily zone. You can see we are forming a resistance over here. We have, because this place is a very valid support on the daily time frame, acted as support. Now it is forming as resistance over here. So whenever we are under this white line, we are selling, and you can see we are selling over here. Is that okay? We already rejected it, we already sold to the downside, though we have not yet got to our final take profit level, right? So this is why we'll be taking trade at that level. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we had this strong resistance level over here. You can see we have resistance, we have that support over here. Now we broke it to the downside. Now we're having that resistance over here again. Is that okay? And we can expect that we can have a rejection because this is just a break, retest of this zone, and we'll continue to the downside. So on this trade, this is our first take profit over here for a 1 to 2. Now second take profit to be over here for a 1 to 4. Is that okay? So the entry is, I already entered the trade, so I entered it on Friday. So this is my entry over here, but it is still valid. If you want to enter this trade now, just take your entry when the market opens, and your stop loss needs to be above this resistance zone. All right, that is that for gold. For AUD card, we're also selling. We're also selling. You can see I already have my markup over here. So let me show you why we are selling on this AUD card. On AUD card, we notice that on the weekly time frame, we are in an overall sell trend. The market is going down, right? That is nice. And we have this our support line. You can see when market got to this blue line, we rejected, and now we're trading under it. Is that okay? That means you are selling, and we've come back to retest that line, and we are going down. So let's move down to the daily time frame. So this is our weekly zone. We rejected it to the downside. Now we came back, we formed this daily zone. You remember that we are trading from zone to zone. Are you getting me? Let me just say something before I continue. We have different methodologies of trading the forex market. So for my own methodology, I trade from a particular zone to another zone. Is that okay? That is how I trade. You know, we have SMC traders, we have other traders, but I only trade break and retest of zones. Are you getting me? So now I just hope you are getting my analysis. We are, after we form this weekly zone, we have to go back to the daily time frame to look for our daily zones, because we are not going to be taking our trades on the weekly time frame. We will take our trades on the lower time frames. So as you can see on this daily time frame, we have uh levels here. I also have this level serving as support level over here. Is that okay? As you can see, whenever I get to this level that I've marked up, I just want you to see it. We are rejecting it. You see it better on the 4 hour time frame. Let me show you to it on the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, this is what we are talking about. Whenever we get to this place, we rejected multiple times, and we finally broke it to the downside, and we came back to retest that zone. Is that okay? And on the 1 hour time frame, we saw that we already got our rejection. This sorry, let me just delete it. we already got our rejection. I just want to show you something on the 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see, when we were trading back to this zone, we were going up, down, up, down. Let me just draw it for you so you can see why I drew that. You can see we were trending to the upside on the 15 minutes time frame. You can see this is how an uptrend looks like. But what later happened was we broke that uptrend and we're already forming something like a downtrend. So that is another confirmation why we'll be taking this trade at this level. Another confirmation is that we are um our moving average is already turning back to the downside, and it's just very obvious. It's looking very obvious that we're going to be selling. So this is how you're going to take in the trade. You take your entry here. Your stop loss has to be above this zone. Are you getting it? And your take profit has to be this support over here for a 1 to 5. Is that okay? So I'll show you how to take the trade when the market opens again. Our next analysis will be on AUD USD. Yes. So let us go back again for a top down analysis to see why we're going to be taking trades at that level. So sorry about that. Now, on the weekly time frame, we already identified that whenever we are below this blue line, just make sure you focus on this blue line, we are buying. But now we've broken that blue line to the downside. We came back to retest it and we are going to be selling, right? That is just the main information you need on the weekly time frame, just to make sure that you are right on direction on the higher time frame. So now, going back to the lower time frame, you can see we went back to that blue line for the first time, we rejected it back down. We went back there the second time, we rejected it back down. Sorry, let me delete this. So, but we are not going to take our trade there. Where we are going to take our trade from is that we are going to take our trade from this 4 hour level, because um yeah, you can see at this 4 hour level we have support here, resistance, resistance, support, and now we are beginning to break this level back down. Is that okay? And when you move down to the lower time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, I want to tell you something again. Whenever we are here, we are buying. Whenever we're on top of this level, we are buying back. Whenever we're on top, we are buying, but now we are trading below it. Is that okay? And you already understand why we draw this level. This is why we draw this level, because we have this strong, it's starting from here, resistance, resistance, resistance. We broke it to the upside, support, resistance. Is that okay? So that is just why we are looking to take trades at that level. Now going to the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, we already broke it back down. We already broke this level back to the downside. We retested it and we rejected it, and we are looking to take our trades at this rejection line, right? Our stop loss has to go above this zone and our take profit needs to be below here for a 1 to 3. So this is why we'll be looking to take trades at this level. All right. For those in my free Telegram channel, I plan on giving you guys free trades back to back, teaching you why I'm going to be looking to take trades and the pairs I'm looking to take every week. So make sure you open your trading account. If you don't have a live account, make sure you have a live account. If you don't have anyone yet, I'm going to give you the broker to use, and you are going to be good with that. So, all right, guys. I hope this breakdown was very explanatory. And during the week, we'll be seeing how the trade plays out. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care of yourself. And if you have not yet joined my free Telegram, make sure you join. The link will be at the description box. And if you need a broker, a trusted broker, I'll also put in the description box. All right, see you guys in the next